Hi, my name is Angela Stevens. I am a 16-year professional in the hair industry, an Emmy Award-winning hairstylist, salon owner, and a lot more things. But today I'm here to tell you about Protective Styles by Angela. I've collaborated with Cantu, and I'm so proud that we were able to bring you something that I've always been passionate about my whole career, okay? My coworkers used to joke with me about how much love I would give to my extensions and to wigs because I would always want to make sure they last for my clients. I wanted the hair to continue to feel good. I wanted braids to smell good. And so Cantu really saw my vision, they heard my passion, and together we formulated this line that I'm so proud of. So what I want you to do is follow me at Angela C Styles on all platforms, follow Cantu Beauty, and make sure you figure out which products are gonna work the best for you and how many ways you can use them. Because honestly, I want you to switch your hair as much as possible, but also keep it healthy. That's my goal, that's the vision, and that is what Protective Styles by Angela is all about.